सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, वाहिद और जमा। Dear kids, now we learn singular and plural. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम वाहिद और जमा सीखते हैं। The name of one thing is called singular. किसी एक चीज का नाम वाहिद कहलाता है। The name of more than one things is called plural. और एक से ज्यादा चीजों का नाम जमा कहलाता है। The plural of one bat is two bats. Bat is singular and bats are plural. The plural of one egg is four eggs. Egg is singular and eggs are plural. The plural of one cap is two caps. Cap is singular and caps are plural. The plural of one book is three books. Book is singular and books are plural. The plural of one cup is three cups. Cup is singular and cups are plural. The plural of one apple is three apples. Apple is singular and apples are plural.